Guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Back on my way down to PSP. I'm gonna go for a quick little visit. I know we're getting close to it firing. I also had to bring them some parts that they needed, so I'll see you guys when I get down there.
Anyway, we got it.
Looks good. Looks good.
Yeah.
Like, everything fits. Snug, but nothing's touching, eh?
No. Everybody didn't have views on yet. So hopefully the angle is okay. I was even thinking about the other day. Seems like this is really long for the, but yeah, let me put it on.
Yeah,
I was looking at it the other day.
So what's really left?
Just
Rear
bleed the
tray,
brakes.
bleed brakes, anti-roll bar.
Anti-roll bar, that's not that thing. I
tray.
mean, we're gonna put it in, get it just set up in
Yeah,
there, but
of
until
course.
the car is ready, full weight and everything, then we'll do the adjustment.
Yeah.
But we can have all this stuff there. So this thing doesn't come down and get jammed up on the dyno or something.
Right.
Okay, yeah, and then run the return for the overflow for the
Yeah.
radiator.
Where's that gonna go?
We're gonna mount it somewhere here.
Okay.
Here, yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Good.
Yeah, we thought you already had one, but this is for the training.
For the training.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then we gotta prime the fuel system.
Yeah.
Make sure it's nice.
Well, this was with the same idea as your overflow.
Yeah.
Bring the training overflow.
Yeah.
Way back here. So
Eventually we gotta make an air pan over here. The thing is, now that this bracket's inside, that's the problem. You do have to make a little window to get to this bolt.
right. So because this will act like
It's
a
like a
parachute.
parachute, yeah. So
Parachute
you
itself.
have to. And it's not gonna be that hard, go from here to this bar.
Right.
So this way,
So what do? Just like leave leave like
a little window there. Yeah.
So almost like a rear diffuser sort of, right?
Yeah, we have to put the bolt upright because we can't shove it downwards.
Right.
But it has the lock nut.
Looks good. I'm 1,000 times happy.
Oh, I have to sit there. I have to pour through the 2 layers. Because you know what I mean?
I know,
Yeah,
I saw
so-
because there was the bar that went
Yeah,
through.
there's the one
right?
across. Yeah. So, but it's.
You know what? It was worth it for me because that was one thing I disliked about
Yeah.
the car.
And it worked out perfect the way it
When
did.
I saw it,
Yeah.
when you disconnected it, you saw it looks like a trailer.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Now like this, at least it's clean.
Yeah, as soon as you take it off,
and
it's-
it's more like sucked into the car.
Yes.
I always thought it sat too far out.
Yeah. No, I know. If you had a wing, I can understand.
Yeah.
But for this, yeah. Yeah. So you turn the power on. See the red button?
Yep.
And then the ignition first switch.
Yep.
Should light up the dash.
Right on.
And then
It's coming good. It's coming good.
then you got your signals.
Yeah.
See the signal?
Yeah. Looks good. Love it. Yeah. It's perfect.
Then you also shut off the power back there. When I call Ernie and he tells me what day, I'm going to call you.
Okay, let me know.
And then we're going to
work a quickie schedule.
We're not going to start it. We're going to start at your convenience. You're going to say, okay, this is the day I can come down.
Yeah.
Nothing's going to be started till you're here.
close.
The other day
Close.
when I was doing the wires, I ended up taking the brackets off and trimming more because
Right.
it was touching. You know what I mean? It was
Yeah,
hard to
yeah,
be
yeah.
on, so I even took the brackets off, retrimmed it, took
yeah.
the coils off, did everything. So
Looks great.
I wanted because it was, and then I cut all that extra material that the coils had to seal against the valve cover. We don't need
Yeah.
that, so
Okay. Looks awesome.
Yeah.
So we're close.
we're very close. Like, if you say that I want to start on Monday, we probably could if Ernie was here.
Sunday, I can't do Sunday. So here's my schedule. I'm working Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off.
Okay, so we'll probably shoot it for Thursday then.
You want to do Thursday?
Thursday, yeah. Well, I gotta talk to Ernie if it's okay with Ernie.
Yeah, ask
And-
Ernie Thursday.
Yeah.
So
And what's the best time for you?
Well, I'm off Thursday.
Okay,
so
so
it
I'll
doesn't
talk to
matter.
Ernie whenever he can come by because he works.
I know.
So if he says be here at 3 o'clock, you can be here.
I'd
for
love
3?
for Sally wants to see it start too. So
Okay.
let's see what we can arrange. She works at home, but she would just have to
Okay.
book that.
want them
So
to
ask
see
her
for-
me. Ask Ernie.
Okay.
what's
Either
good
Thursday or
with-
Friday. Doesn't make a difference.
Okay. Okay, I'll ask her what the day is more flexible for her side, and then I'll let Brandon know as well.
Yeah, okay.
But, she's been a big part of the process too. So my plan is I'm gonna let you guys finish everything here. From here, it's gonna go to
The dyno?
The dyno.
Yeah.
From the dyno,
Take it home. Yes. And then after that, you know, you might have to one day meet up with Ernie and do drivability a little bit. Yeah, but he'll do most of it on the dyno, so.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, so it'll be fine.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab the seats,
The seats, the harness.
seat belts, and then whatever you guys need to do. So you want to do the rear?
I can do it, yeah. I'll go buy the aluminum and then I'll make a
You do
template
the
for it. I was gonna do it the other day, but then, yeah.
Is there anybody here that can kind of like vinyl cover it after, like a?
Yeah, we'll take it to the guy that does the upholstery.
Yeah, okay.
New Image. You can
sure.
stick their
Just,
black velvet, whatever.
Yeah,
You wanna
velvet or
take one like this?
no?
Then you put your little dog in the back.
No, let's vinyl or
Yeah,
velvet.
yeah, okay. Vinyl,
black.
that's fine, yeah, that's
But
fine.
I don't want the carpet though, because the carpet
Yes, okay,
catches
dust and everything.
all the flies and stuff
Okay.
get caught. So anything that's easily wipeable. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the update. The car is pretty much ready to go. All the wiring is done, which is nice. A few little mechanical things left to do, but we're set to fire it up this Friday, which is November 5th. So I'm really looking forward to that. Of course, I'm going to record that. Been waiting for this day for a long time. Other than that, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.